brakes. Trackhawk badge on the side. With Sasha, man. Who gonna bet with Sasha? Ain't nobody. Who you betting with? You gonna bet with Sasha or the Trackhawk?
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, gang? And today we finally putting Sasha, my X6M, on the dyno to see what boot mod stage 2 and down pipes really do on 93 octane. Because if you not subscribed to the channel, what you need to hit the like and subscribe button right now. You probably don't know that I'm getting a 1200 horsepower forged engine put in this car very soon. And I'm gonna put the link down in the description for the parts I ordered for the car and the shop video that has the nasty F90 M5 who's building the engine. I'm gonna put their shop link down in the description for the video when I went to go talk to those guys, if you just now seeing this channel. But anyways, we finna get over here to Monster Performance. My buddy Lee, he's the owner, and we finna get on his all-wheel drive Dynojet and see what this baby does, because I really wanted to know, and I know you guys want to know what this thing does, you know, just stage 2 and down pipes, 93 octane, before we get the engine built. And then we're gonna dyno it again to see how much power it makes. But that's what we doing, gang. So let's get over here to Monster Performance. Okay, gang, we just pulling up at Monster Performance, and the first thing I see when I pull up, gang, is check this out. Jeep Trackhawk, the white one right there. So Lee's friend just bought the Jeep Trackhawk, and he's supposed to be building it up or whatever. So we might got another car we could race against. So, and you see, he got the Dynojet sign up now too, up there at the top of his sign. So he got the all-wheel drive Dynojet. So we finna get out, take a look at the Trackhawk, take a look at the Dynojet, and get this car on the dyno to see how much power it makes. And y'all already know it's GTR galore out here. GTRs everywhere. Lee don't even play with the GTRs. So it's a race, no question. You know, the race set for Friday, so I'm gonna race the Trackhawk Friday. I think the Trackhawk making about, I think he told me around 600 plus wheel. You know, so I don't know how much that is to the crank on the Trackhawk. So let's check it out though. Got that white interior, and that's a pearl white too, gang. That's a pearl white. I think it's a 2018. Now the front splitter is similar. It looks just like our front splitters look just alike, except mine carbon. If you look at that and look at mine, see the front splitters look real similar. So I really like that. Got the Bmw brakes, Trackhawk badge on the side, and he pretty much Panda Bear with yellow brakes. Look great. Well, let's get in here on this dyno and see what the car do. He don't play no games at all. No games at all. Big build. Man of the hour, y'all check him out. Lee Bird, Lee fucking Bird. I'm gonna put his link down to his YouTube channel down in the description, gang, so y'all can find him. But this the new all-wheel drive dyno. Not a Mustang dyno, gang. This is a Dynojet. The best dyno money can buy, and it's all-wheel drive too. All-wheel drive. Right here in Florida, you don't gotta go way up north or way down south. We got one right here in Central Florida now. So we're driving around now to get on the dyno. Time to see what this baby make. See what type of power she make. Time to get these dyno numbers, gang. See what my baby do. If she disappoint me, she going in the trash.
It's one of those barely fitting cars, you know? Yeah, you see the other side? I'll just pull it over with the strap.
Gang. She on the dyno, gang. She locked on. Time to see what power she make. Ooh, I'm nervous. Well, gang, you already know it's just a boot mod stage 2 and downpipes 93. So if it don't make a lot of power, then it just ain't gonna make a lot of power. And I think with this one the door gotta be closed or it ain't gonna roll. Oh, okay. Yeah. Isn't once it's in roller mode, it should be ready for the dyno. That's what roller mode is set for. Ooh, she sound crazy. Yeah, I heard it move over. It went a little bit that way.
What's this one? Yeah, it definitely fell from the beast. Yeah, because it went that way.
Alright, so we retightened the scraps. She torquey, so she move a little bit. She torquey. It do?
Yeah, it comes on. As soon as I try to floor it, it comes on. So just
hold on, where it is?
Can I just turn it off here?
I think so.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's coming on as soon as I try to floor it.
Hold on, let me get my camera back set up. Alright.
It feels like it cuts boost right there. When it hits peak torque.
A few moments later.
what happens when you cool it down?
Ooh, we got 603 horsepower gang. Yeah, how much torque? Ooh, and 614 torque. Anybody want smoke? Y'all know where to find me. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Hey, that's the man right there, my boy Lee Bird, man. Y'all go check his YouTube channel out, man. I'm putting the link down in the description. If y'all want dyno time, come here and get dyno time. The dyno all-wheel drive Dynojet is up running. The Dynojet is up running. Yeah, well, Sasha made me proud. She made me proud today. The pull was late. If you look at the graph, she would have made more power around 620, 630. That's over 700 horsepower. Over 600 wheel. Yeah, she made me proud today. And Friday, gang. Be ready Friday on Racing the Trackhawk. Me and the Trackhawk made the same wheel horsepower. So it's going down Friday. You guys know I'm going to have it on camera and putting it up on the channel. So got to bet with Sasha, man. Who gonna bet with Sasha? Ain't nobody. Who you betting with? You gonna bet with Sasha or the Trackhawk?
I don't know, man.
How you don't know?
That Trackhawk.
Man, don't nobody want to bet with Sasha. Everybody want to bet with the Trackhawk.
Supercharged to be instant. Trackhawk all day, man.
So y'all love the Trackhawk that much, huh? Y'all love the Trackhawk that much, huh?
Man, monster made Trackhawk, man.
All right. I got something. It's gonna be a dead monster Trackhawk.
Oh, nah.
Go on.
You want to put some money on them GTRs, man? We put some.
I got something for it. No, I ain't talking about my car. I got something for it. I got something for them GTRs. Man, my car couldn't whoop one of them GTRs if I threw a bottle of Nas in the engine. This joker way too fat. Way too fat. She way too heavy. She way too heavy, bro. She way too heavy. Yeah, so she did good, gang. You know, I at first I was disappointed. I'm like, at least I thought she was gonna do 600 horsepower. Now she did a little over 600. So, you know, I'm gonna let y'all see this board again. Let y'all see this board again. For everybody that was saying she 500 wheel horsepower, all wheel horsepower, I don't see a 500 there anywhere. That's 600. That's 603.88. And then the torque, with that torque, gang, right there, 614 foot-pounds of torque, almost 615 to the wheels, and that's all wheel, gang. That's all wheel. That's all 4 wheels. That's all 4 wheels, man. That's all 4 wheels, gang. But yeah, I'm racing the Trackhawk come Friday, so I'm gonna have a Trackhawk video on the channel Friday. Look out for me. Y'all bet with Sasha. Everybody against Sasha. But y'all know what they say about the underdog. Auto lust out.